This is the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and enable the VPN/proxy connection on this device. First of all, connect your tablet to the Wi-Fi, launch Play Store, log into if needed. In order to set up the VPN connection for free, we are going to use the help of the third-party application that is called Turbo VPN. So let me quickly get it from Play Store. Once the app has been successfully installed, you have to launch it, tap on the agree and continue button. Let me switch the device to the portrait mode real quick so you'll see. Then close the ad. After that, once you're ready to connect, to establish a connection, tap on this little carrot icon at the bottom. Once you'll see the key icon at the status bar, this one, you can understand that the VPN has been successfully enabled. You can change the server and location that your VPN is connected to if you want, of course. Like so, let's say we will reconnect to the chosen server. Once you're done with the VPN, in order to turn it off, just tap on this cross icon over here. Which is not getting pressed in my case, whatever. Then you'll get this little dialog window, tap on the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.